In question 20, you're asked to simplify some algebraic fraction expressions. Now, in this first instance, there isn't anything common to both, so what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to make the lowest common denominator the multiplication of those two. And plus 4 lots of x squared plus 1. On the numerator, so thankfully something does simplify, and on the denominator, I should be able to recognise the x lots of 1 minus x there. So on the top, I've got 4x plus 4, and on the denominator, I shouldn't say top and bottom, as my answer. I note looking in the back of the book, they've taken out the 4 lots of x plus 1 on the top. Probably not so necessary in this problem though. Moving on to B, doesn't look like we've got a lot common on the denominator, but what we can note is x squared minus 4 is a difference of 2 squares. So I'll just rewrite it along those lines. So as you can see, to make the lowest common denominator x minus 2 lots of x plus 2's, I'm going to have to multiply the 3 by x minus 2 and the plus 5 by x plus 2. And then gathering that all together, I'll have 20 plus 2x divided by x minus 2 lots of x plus 2. Once again, I notice in the answers they've expanded that out to be x squared take 4, but I think it's okay to leave it in that format. Now moving on to C, first thing you should note is that the denominator in the third term is x minus 5 lots of x plus 6. So we can see the x plus 6, this is a bit of a stopper. So before I can proceed, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a negative 1 out as my common factor, and that will be negative x minus 5. When I reorganise this, become minus 4 divided by x minus 5 plus 3 divided by x minus 5 lots of x plus 6. So that will be my lowest common denominator. So expanding, and I'm left with x take 46 divided by x minus 5 x plus 6.